This is the Peggy vest by House of Sunny. This is a classic knit camisole with ribbed fabrication and statement cutout back details. Even though it's sleeveless, it's still super cozy and warm, making it a great layer piece for the winter time. I think the Peggy vest looks amazing tucked into these Paloma wool jeans that I also got from the lobby. The green color is also so adorable, and I think it's super flattering on everyone. If you're preparing for a chilly day, this vest goes amazingly with the Peggy cardigan. I actually have it in the color blonde, so I'm doing a little bit of a fun mix and match here. This cozy combination is great for lounging around the house or a quick run to the grocery store.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about this item and try it before you buy, head on over to fromthelobby.com. You'll pay $0 at checkout and only be charged for what you keep after 14 days. While you're there, you can watch and shop hundreds of video reviews from all your favorite brands. More details and links in the description below.